Some weapons change the course of history, and others? Well, they just make you wonder what were they thinking. Here are the strangest weapons ever used in war. Keycap 1 Bat Bombs, exploding bats. Bat collision. During World War II, the US military planned to drop thousands of bats carrying tiny incendiary bombs over Japan. The idea? The bats would nest in buildings, and when their timers went off, boom, entire cities would be set ablaze. It actually worked in tests. But before it could be used, the atomic bomb ended the war. Keycap 2 The Pigeon-Guided Missile Bird Direct Hit. You've heard of guided missiles? But what if I told you one of the first attempts at missile guidance involved pigeons? That's right. World War II scientists trained pigeons to peck at targets on a screen inside a missile, guiding it to its destination. Shockingly, it worked. But the idea was scrapped for being too unpredictable. After all, pigeons aren't exactly known for following orders. Keycap 3 The Tsar Tank, the giant death wheel bicycle skull. Imagine a bicycle, but make it 50 feet tall, covered in armor and armed with cannons. That's the Tsar Tank, Russia's attempt at a superweapon in 1914. It looked terrifying, but here's the problem. Those massive wheels? They got stuck in the mud. The entire project was abandoned after one test. Keycap 4 The Wind Cannon, the Nazi storm blaster tornado dashing away. The Nazis tried to build some truly bizarre superweapons, including the wind cannon, a machine designed to fire concentrated air blasts strong enough to knock planes out of the sky. Sounds cool, right? Problem is, it didn't work. Turns out, wind isn't as effective as bullets. Keycap 5 The Gay Bomb. Wait, what? Rainbow bomb. Now this one is just ridiculous. In 1994, a US military lab considered developing a gay bomb, a chemical weapon designed to make enemy soldiers so attracted to each other that they'd lose focus in battle. The idea never made it past the planning stage, but it's proof that not every war strategy is, well, normal. From exploding bats to pigeon pilots, these weapons prove that military history is full of wild ideas. But who knows? Maybe the next bizarre invention will actually work.